What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy here, Dawson, with another banger. Just kidding. I'm back, boys. It's been too freaking long since I've made a video. But we're back. We got a desktop now. We got a full setup, so I'm pumped up on this now. I just don't have a webcam, so we're going to do a quick, I guess, 7-day backtesting session for the YouTube here. It's going to be nice, quick, and let's get going. So I just want to give you a heads up. I have kind of been using different model, but same concepts here. I am using Riley Botha's motion model. So this is the motion model backtesting. I'm super pumped up for this. My stats so far have been absolutely unbelievable. This model has, I bought Riley's Bootcamp just to kind of get a more in-depth access to the model, and I've been backtesting a ton. So I've been seeing some pretty crazy good results. As you can see, like we're looking at 20% in October, 13, 12, 4, 2, like currently up 50% in just a few months here on the account at a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that's just my trading, right? 1 to 2. 1 to 1 break even, 1 to 2 I'm fully out. I'm risking $500 per trade, 1% of the account, and essentially right now we are at a 74% win rate of a total of 53 trades, at 10 of these trades being break even. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into this. I'm not going to break down the model. This is just going to be something of me doing a backtesting session. I'm going to do a backtesting a week. I'm going to get at least 2 to 3 of these out every single week. Trying to do as much backtesting as I can, as well as, let's see, probably start doing some live trading or like live recordings as well. But as you can see, we just took a 1. Let's go to the next day open. Let's have a look. I'm going to play some chill vibe beats here just to kind of, hopefully these are non-copywriting. So let's get into this. Okay, so I like to start off on the daily time frame. We already know we're at all-time highs, but I do like to start always at the daily. I'm already bullish just looking at this chart here, and then we look at the 4-hour chart and we're already bullish as well. The 4-hour is not telling me much. We have no 4-hour gap, so nothing for me to be overly concerned about. So I'm essentially going to look at the sorry, I just got a text. Okay. Essentially I'm going to be looking at like the hourly probably. The hourly is actually also not really telling me a whole story. Like it's not much here. I don't like this already, but we'll mark out some of our key levels pretty straightforward. We do have this all the way down here. Does look like ES is a bit weaker than NQ. That's cool. We are SMT'd up here. Actually, damn, we're SMT'd up all the way to... We're SMT'd up there, and we're actually SMT'd up here. That's crazy. That'd be cool to see ES take out this hourly, but like at the end of the day we don't have to, right? We look at and it's a 4-hour, so it'd be nice to see that be taken out, but I mean at the end of the day we don't have to take it, because like if we don't really have much, it would be nice to see it taken. I mean, we have a huge SMT. This does look like it's probably gonna drop, but we'll see. We'll have a look here. I am looking for longs though. I'm not interested in any short positions right now. There's this internal SMT here as well, and a 1-minute inversion. I don't really like this right now, to be honest, but that could be a motion model setup. I'm just going to forward test it, but I don't really like this just because, I don't know, that low left is just kind of there. Nothing for me, for my liking. I'm just going to continue looking. Nothing so far here. I want to see some lower pricing. I do want to see us drop a little bit lower. I mean, if we can get lower, personally, if we can get lower here, create an SMT at this low, I will hop in on a long if we can inverse a fair value gap. As much as this like isn't fully A+, I'll still try it though. If we can inverse this gap, I'll give it a whirl. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna hop in on this long right here. We just look a little bit more bullish than bearish. We have an external SMT, internal SMT. We aren't really in any sort of higher time frame gaps, which is the only thing that's throwing me off. But let's give it a whirl. Let's give it a whirl. Doesn't hurt, right? It's the worst that's gonna happen. I take a loss. Then we know what works and we know what doesn't work, right? We need to know that we have to wait for a higher time frame SMT fair value gap, or sorry, a higher time frame fair value gap. Okay. So far, so meh. I'm not liking how PA's kind of chopping here, but we'll see. We will see. I'm not a big fan of this chop right now, not gonna lie. Yeah, I think we're gonna run out my stop. Let's go a little bit quicker here. Okay. Yeah, we're just chopping. It's just a big chop fest right now, but I'm still gonna hold it. Doesn't really. Worst that's gonna happen is I lose my trade. Just gonna speed it up a little bit here. It looks like we're hopping into profit here, which is nice. I do want to see this high ran out though for my 1-to-1 before I go break even on anything. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Taking our sweet time. If we run out, oh wow, huge spike. Okay, well I take that. There's full TP. Holy, that's crazy. Cool. Okay, was not expecting that, but drawn liquidity is correct. So let's go, boys. Let's go. Okay, we are bullish. Another bullish day. Let's hop down to the 4 hour. 4 hours got me wanting to have a look at this gap here. And let's see, ES, same kind of gist here, but we have, do we have an SMT? We don't. Hello, where is that? Okay, hold on. Right there, bam, right there. There is an SMT. Okay, so we do have an SMT in this 4 hour gap here on on NQ. Let's go to the hourly, see what we got. We are in an hourly gap. I am wanting to see a rejection out of one of these 2 points. Pretty straightforward. Trade up to London high. Like nothing too crazy about these trading setups that I'm looking for right now. Honestly, if we can just get like a 1 minute SMT inversion to the upside, I'll take a long. I mean, watch this probably rip. If we can break structure, I'll probably take a long here. I'm gonna take a long here, I think, actually. SMT'd at the low. SMT'd up at the low here. Right there. Bam. SMT'd up, break a structure here. This isn't the full model, but this is looking really clean. We did inverse this gap as well. And we have some higher time frame inside this hourly fair value gap with a huge rejection wick. I'm going to try this long. I don't really care. Stop loss. I'm going to put it at the bottom of there just because it is, it would be a pretty big stop if it wasn't there. And then our TP1 right here. And then TP2 all-time highs so forward. Let's give it a try and see how she goes. So the thing I love about all-time high trading is like you could literally just keep trading. Yeah, just keep longing, right? So let's see how this works. And boom, we're at break even now. And bang, full TP again. Let's go. Hell yeah, that's awesome. This model's huge. This model is something else, man. Like I'm telling you, this model is crazy. Pretty straightforward trade. All-time highs trading out of this. So we had this SMT, this 4 hour gap, tapping into this hourly gap, London highs above, and then we had that internal SMT here with the 1 minute inversion of the fair value gap. I took my entry off of the change in state in the 1 minute just because of the SMT was a little bit later. Overall W trades, let's see how much higher this thing runs. Imagine this holding that. That's crazy. Cool. Well, I'm pumped up. It's been a really good trading week. We're on a winning streak right now, so that's pretty cool. Let's go down to the daily. Bullish, pretty obvious. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, we are bullish. Let's have a look at the, let's have a look here. Okay, no SMTs on the 4 hour, which is fine. Take a look at the hourly. Hourly is bullish as well, and we are in, do I have an SMT here? It's literally a motion model pushing to the upside already, so it's like an early model of the motion. Is probably going to be a continuation motion model that I'll be taking. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a continuation motion model. Yeah, let's see. Is there any, if there's a 1 minute gap here, I'll take it. Yeah, if we can inverse this 1 minute, I'll smash it right away towards all-time highs. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna hop in on longs right away, guys. I think this is pretty clean. See how easy my analysis is, though? Like, obviously, people are going to be like, oh, if this trade fails, oh, but your analysis is way too quick. Well, we're at all-time highs, so it's pretty straightforward. I mean, we have an unfilled 4 hour below, but, like, we're at all-time highs. Rejecting out of here, SMT at the low. Coming down to the 15-minute time frame, we have an SMT in this 15-minute. We still have the highs to be taken out. Like, overall, this is a super clean setup. We're pushing higher. We're going to take this. Hop in this trade, see if it continues our win streak right now. We are on a mad win streak. Look at this. Green, 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 green. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if we can hit the 9. Is that break even? Is that break even? I'm gonna move my stop to break even. I think that's break even. That's break even. Okay, boys. We got break even. First break even trade in a minute. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. Nice little break even ski. So we're on Friday. I'm going to trade Monday and Tuesday because I traded Tuesday. I started on Tuesday. So we'll go till Tuesday. And then I'm going to call it a video, I guess. So far, we're kind of ripping through this. What are we at? We're at 12 minutes right now. So raw video, 12 minutes of pure back testing. Nothing beats this. Let's go. I'm pumped. I'm excited. Everything's kind of just locking and loading and kind of getting understanding more in my eyes of the markets. Just watching kind of how the markets run. I like it. So right now we have this daily fair value gap we're tapping into. I'm going to keep my eyes on bearish right now. I understand we're in this daily gap and we are rejecting this daily gap. And a lot of people are going to say, like, you're stupid. But we also just had a 4-hour change in state and delivery right here. Okay. I don't want to forget this 4-hour change. So I want to look at the hourly, see what the hourly is talking to me about, right? Like, we have an hourly fair value gap here. And we are SMT'd in it, hey? Yeah, so we have an hourly SMT fair value gap here. I just want to click it once. Okay. We have London lows below. I'm going to go for some shorts right now. Just because we have that change of state on the hourly. I think we could probably eat into that fair value gap a little bit more. Like the... So ideally, I'd like to see like an SMT. Bankski, Dankski. I don't see nothing right now. No. Okay. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Nothing for me. Nothing for me. Oh, that sucks. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe a 5-minute entry. Nothing on the 5-minute now. Nothing on the 5 and nothing on the 15. Not liking what I'm seeing, to be honest. There's not much I like right now. Not much I'm liking. I want to see this come up higher. Yeah, I think we're just going to sell off. Yeah, we just sold off, pretty much. I think that's all we're going to do. 8 o'clock hits. Yeah, just kind of choppiness. We're going to go to the next day. Nothing for me that day. Nothing for me that day. Nothing for me that day. Bias was right, though. Like, chop, 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 and then trade towards London low. Bias was right, which is nice, but nothing really happened there. Let's go to the daily. Daily, we are rejecting that daily fair value gap, which is allowing me to know that our target's this high. Come down to a 4 hour. You can see we did just break above this 4 hour right here. So we do have this 4 hour change in state of delivery. Super easy, super nice. You know, boom, boom, boom. Higher, higher, low, higher, lower, lower, high, lower, higher, high. Boom, breaks right through there. Boom me. Super simple. Okay, anyways, let's jump into it. So we're gonna go here. Boom, boom. We got this hourly gap. We are rejecting probably a 15 right away here. Yeah, so if I can get like an SMT, if we can have like a quick push lower, just like how we're doing right this second actually. And if I can get a inversion, I'll take it right now. Nothing that I like so far, unfortunately, is probably like a 30-second. Yeah, there's a 30-second I wouldn't take. I don't take 30 seconds. I only take 1 minute. I think this is gonna rip. Okay, let's have a look now. So we are tanking lower. It does look like we're probably gonna head towards the hourly gap, which is completely fine. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to see price reach down to. We take out the weekly gap, or that gap. I want to see an SMT to then push us to the upside here. Let's have a look. I think bias might be wrong on this day, but I don't really have any thoughts to the other way around, so. Okay, I just want to see what we could be rejecting at it, because this could be a longing opportunity right here. Inversion of this gap here. Yeah, inversion of this gap. We have SMT up on at this low right here, pretty much. We have that SMT. Let's go to the daily now. Okay, so we're tapping this daily gap. We just sold off heavy. We are in a 4 hour gap here. I'm gonna try this long. I mean, shorts kind of look cleaner just because we have this 4 hour change in state. Personally, I would probably want to see like, I kind of want to see this 50. Actually, you know what? I'm not taking this long. No, I'm not gonna take this long. Let's see if it plays out though. I'm not gonna take this long. I'm gonna be looking for shorts now. I'm looking for shorts, yeah. Gonna look for some form of a short position here. Boom ski. Sorry guys, I fucked up. I'm taking a short here. I don't even care. Boom ski. Right here. We have a 1 minute SMT inside this 15 minute. I don't even know if it runs anyway, so it doesn't matter if we fail it. But yeah, this long would have been cool. It's just we have that 4 hour change in state, and that just throws me off. Like, I think the 4 hour will tank. So this is gonna be my last trade, also, by the way. So whether it wins or losses, I could really care less. But the context behind this trade are pretty good, I'd say. So we're gonna try this. More so bearish on the way that 4 hour candle closed. I'm really bearish, and this is how like you look at it, right? People are gonna be like, oh, but you're in the daily gap. But we just had a 4 hour change in state delivery after taking out these little highs here. Huge sell off. We're in a 15-minute gap, tapping into the 15, and we just inverse the 1 minute. Like, you're telling me this doesn't make sense. So we're gonna try this. I don't really care what happens in the outcome of this trade. Yeah. So long is the play there. Long was the play. It's all good. And there's the shorts. Let's see if the shorts play out. There's the shorts. Boom. Doesn't really know what it wants to do. That's fine. Looks like the shorts would play out though. All good. Stuff happens, right? And we have like, nice. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a video here. I'm pretty pumped up on the results that we've gotten so far. Let's just do a reverse of this. What do we have for time? I don't want to make it long, but Yeah, so 3 wins, 1 break even, 1 loss. Not a big deal at all. I'm not concerned. We're having a lot of process. We were up 28,000. Let's have a look at the win rate after this as well. I mean, I'm not personally a person of win rate either. I don't care about win rate. I just care about keeping my profits there, managing risk, and kind of keeping everything in line. That's all that matters to me personally. But let's get this loading. It's a random vibes thing. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. I typed in no copyright music, so let's just hope so. Let's turn it down here. So I think in the next video here, we're going to start a fresh scale because I also like to do some back testing on the side. I think I'm going to start a brand new account on my next back testing session on random days. Oh, what happened here? But on random days, just so I at least have the YouTube back testing session available for just the YouTube. That's about it. Nothing else. And then keep this one here, my regular one that I'll just do when I'm out, when I'm out and about or whatever I'm doing, right? But anyways, guys, I'm super pumped to be back. I just want to get this kind of rocking and rolling and track my progress as a trader, and keep myself accountable for everything that I'm doing here and make sure that this is the year to succeed. We're coming into the 5th month of this year now. I've spent a lot of time just working on strategy and really trying to just build an edge in the market. And I think I don't want to say I've gotten there, but I've definitely done a lot better than I was in the past. I have a lot more confidence and conviction every time I come into the markets now. So super pumped up. I'm going to be getting a webcam soon here so that you guys can see this. I'm going to start live trading on YouTube for fun as well. If you guys want to join my Discord as well, I send every single one of my trades to my Discord, so you can go ahead and look over those. I'll break those down as well. But like I said, I'm just super excited for all of this. I got a plan. I'm going to build a game plan for this, the future of this. I'm super pumped up though. So if you guys want to hit the like button, really means a lot to me. Hit that subscribe button to see the rest of my journey. I know I've been on and off. It's time to get back on the train here as I have my, my path in line now. I know what I'm doing. So I'm super pumped up. I know I keep saying that, but can't wait to do this again. We'll see you in the next video. Like I said, next video will be fully a new slate of back testing, and we'll go, 1 week at a time. Just go from there. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you'd like to see in the future here. If you want to join my Discord, link will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.